Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file taxes on your own. First, gather all your essential documents. This includes income statements like Form W-2 from employers and Form 1099 for other income sources. Next, collect records for any potential deductions or credits, such as student loan interest or medical expenses. Finally, once organized, accurately report all your income. This includes wages, earnings from self-employment, and investment income. After accounting for income, focus on deductions. These reduce your taxable income, meaning you pay tax on a smaller amount. Look for common deductions like student loan interest, contributions to a health savings account, or certain business expenses. Maximizing your eligible deductions can significantly lower your tax bill. Beyond deductions, explore valuable tax credits. Unlike deductions, credits directly reduce the amount of tax you owe, dollar for dollar. Common examples include the child tax credit, education credits, or credits for energy-efficient home improvements. After identifying all applicable credits, meticulously review your entire tax return. Double-check all numbers and personal information to ensure accuracy before moving to the final step of submission. The final step is submitting your return. Filing electronically is generally recommended for faster processing and immediate confirmation that your return was received. If you owe taxes, make sure to pay them by the deadline to avoid any penalties or interest. Conversely, if you're expecting a refund, e-filing can significantly expedite its arrival directly to your bank account. Congratulations, you've filed your own taxes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.